CMD command to boost online anonymity on Windows. Let's start by typing CMD in the search bar and running command prompt as an administrator. Disabling NetBIOS over TCP and IP is an effective step to boost online anonymity and security in Windows. NetBIOS is an older protocol used for network communication, which can make your system vulnerable to certain network-based attacks or information leaks. Disabling it minimizes risk from unnecessary services. Type wmic, which is a Windows Management Instrumentation command line utility that allows you to interact with the system to manage and configure hardware and software settings. NIC configuration refers to the network interface configuration, which includes properties and settings for network adapters. Where IPEnabled TRUE targets network adapters that have an IP address enabled. This ensures the command applies only to active adapters. Call SetTcpipNetbios 2 invokes the SetTcpipNetbios method with the argument 2. The value 2 disables the NetBIOS over TCP and IP for the targeted adapters. The command disables NetBIOS for all network adapters with IP enabled. You should see the output similar to this. Return value of 0 indicates success. NetBIOS can expose sensitive details like your computer name, work group, and open ports to attackers. Attackers use NetBIOS to perform network enumeration or launch man-in-the-middle attacks.